in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Orange County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Warwick, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chester around 5:40 p.m. Monroe around 5:55 p.m. Harriman around 6:05 p.m. Pomona around 6:15 p.m. West Point around 6:25 p.m. This includes the following New York State COVID test site: Anthony Wayne Rec Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New York: Orange and Rockland,